Welcome back to our channel. So now we drove down 14 to 15 hours going to Dunsol, Sorsogon, which is the province of my father. We are trying to visit a falls nearby to Dunsol, Sorsogon, which is fall in Albay, and let's see if is it worth a visit. Let's go and look at the nature. It's one of the bridge that we can pass by. Now here in Quitinday, so we are expecting about the hills, but they said it's a different location. Yeah. And we are going to underground river and the falls, the Sigpit Falls. Let's go. Just 10 to 15 minutes of walk from the starting point, you will reach the underground cave. Diving spot near the falls. See, the bridge is like with the holes. It's like screens, so I'm just a bit scared, and it's shaking very much because it's just a suspension bridge. Woo! Let's go! Right our back is the entrance for the underground cave, and we decided not to go inside because our camera is just a GoPro, which is have a disadvantage of low light, so we cannot have any footage in the inside. And if you see, there is a bamboo boat which called balsa, and that is what we are about to ride if we are going underground river. So let's go to Sigpit Falls. The one on the top, like this one, is about 5 feet, and right about this loop is already 15 feet, and on this below is around 25 feet, so it's very deep. According to the local tourist guide, this falls was used for cleaning their clothes before, but now they converted to be a tourist spot here in Quitinday. Sigpit Falls, and here is my sister. Hi! So we are enjoying the cold water, and just if you see in the back, yep, that bridge is the road. So that is the main advantage of this falls. It's just beside the road. The good thing about this tourist spot is not crowded, and also they have this kind of facility, comfort room, shower room. We paid 50 pesos for the entrance for each person and 200 pesos for the guide. The guide is mandatory and it's for your safety. You cannot go inside the tourist spots unless you have the tourist guide. We were unable to say goodbye to you guys because it's getting dark. There's not much street lights on this area because this is a province and it's a bit isolated. So see you in our next vlog. Bye.